Hello kids, let's watch the story of the three little pigs. Once upon a time, in a lush meadow surrounded by rolling hills, three little pigs named Percy, Penny, and Peter decided it was time to leave their cozy nest and build their own homes. They bid their parents farewell and set off with excitement in their hearts. Percy, the oldest of the siblings, was determined to build a house that could withstand any challenge. He chose sturdy bricks as his building material. Day by day, he carefully stacked one brick upon another, cementing them with care. Soon, he stood before a robust brick house that made him proud. Penny, the middle pig, had a creative spirit. She decided to build her house with strong sticks and a touch of imagination. She weaved the sticks together into a tight lattice, creating a snug and charming stick house. Her eyes sparkled as she admired her creation. Peter, the youngest pig, had a playful and carefree nature. He thought building with straw would be the quickest way to enjoy life. He gathered bundles of golden straw and fashioned a cozy straw house where he could relax and play his favorite tunes on his tiny flute. Word spread through the meadow about the pigs' new homes, and it reached the ears of a sly and hungry wolf named Wilbur. With a rumbling tummy, Wilbur made his way to the meadow, his mind filled with thoughts of a delicious piggy feast. Wilbur approached Percy's brick house first. He knocked on the door and growled, little pig, let me in." Percy, peeking through a window, replied firmly, "Not by the hair on my chinny chin." Undeterred, Wilbur huffed and puffed, but the brick house stood strong. With a frustrated sigh, the wolf turned away and headed toward Penny's stick house. At Penny's house, Wilbur repeated his demand, little pig, let me in." Penny, quick-witted and cautious, replied, "Not by the hair on my chinny chin." Wilbur huffed and puffed again, but the stick house held its ground. Frustrated and feeling a bit outsmarted, the wolf turned his attention to Peter's straw house. When he reached Peter's house, Wilbur growled, little pig, let me in." Peter, carefree as ever, giggled and replied, "Sure, come on in and let's dance." Perplexed by Peter's response, the wolf stepped inside, and the two began to dance and play music together. Their laughter echoed through the meadow, and the wolf's heart softened. As they danced, Peter shared stories of his adventures and dreams, and the wolf listened intently. He realized that his hunger had blinded him to the joy of friendship. Wilbur, no longer hungry, promised to never harm the pigs and became their protector instead. From that day on, Percy, Penny, Peter, and Wilbur formed an unlikely but strong bond of friendship. They spent their days laughing, dancing, and helping one another. The three little pigs learned that even the fiercest of foes can become the dearest of friends with a little understanding and a lot of kindness. And so, their meadow was forever filled with the joyous melodies of laughter and the warmth of true friendship. Thank you. Subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye, kids.